Hello and welcome to the KitPlus News Roundup. Now, with just over 3 weeks to go until IBC, our press feeds continue to be brimming with show news. So much, in fact, that we've made another IBC dedicated news show for all that information, and you will see a link to that in the top right of this screen.
Yeah, so this show is for news not necessarily related directly to IBC, although most of the manufacturers will, of course, be in Amsterdam. And we'll be chatting to over 100 of them during our 12-hour IBC exhibitor live stream on the 1st of September. Save the date in your diary for that, and we'll be sharing a link to watch that very soon.
So let's start with Vizlink, who have announced its 5G wireless camera technology has been featured in the 5G private network trial that took place during the 2022 Commonwealth Games. Vizlink was participating in the trial with BT Media and Broadcast and the BBC, who were trialling the standalone 5G private network for broadcast coverage of the Games. This represents the first time the cutting-edge technology has been deployed anywhere in Europe for an event of this scale. Vizlink, of course, providing its reliable, premium quality, low latency mobile video connectivity technology for use during the trial.
Libec has announced the HS Series, a brand new collection of fluid heads and tripod systems. The series has newly designed fluid heads with enhanced user-friendly features, such as the built-in perfect balance system, which enables the camera to be precisely balanced at any tilt angle. In addition, the fluid heads are designed with an advanced drag mechanism with super smooth pan-tilt movements and improved backlash control, an easy-to-read counterbalance meter, an accessible snap-on, snap-off QR plate, an accessory port, and much more.
Mediaset, one of Italy's most active media groups, has invested in LiveHD audio mixers for its Milan-based R101 radio and TV broadcast service. Transmitting via terrestrial, digital and online, the R101 is fully focused on music and entertainment, including performance-related news. The project was supervised by LiveHD's Milan-based distribution partner BV Media SRL. It's centred on the modernisation of R101's technical facilities to increase operational efficiency and upgrade signal quality.
Thai public service broadcaster ETV has chosen a playout system from PlayBox Neo as the core of its high-definition educational television channel. The project was coordinated by GBS Alliance, a broadcast systems integration specialist based in Nonthaburi, I think. The newly completed installation comprises 2 complete channel-in-a-box solutions in a main and auxiliary configuration with automatic protective switchover.
Pixeltope has launched the Pixeltope Education Program, an education and community building initiative designed to help enable the next generation of virtual production talent. Developed as a response to the limited talent pool, the PEP provides access to the software and tools that drive virtual production, while connecting educators to experts from the global Pixotope community who can add breadth, depth and context to different curriculums.
Flowics have announced that Flowics Middleware will support Flowics Data Connectors, which act as a real-time bridge that integrates cloud-based data sources with on-premises equipment and vice versa. As a result, broadcasters that subscribe to Flowics Middleware and any of the available Flowics Data Connectors will be able to integrate live data from any of the 20+ already natively integrated data providers into any third-party graphics engine they choose. Flowics customers will now have many more options when using the connectors to create data-driven broadcast graphics.
As part of its move to comprehensive 4K production capabilities, outside broadcast production specialist LiveHD, part of Abu Dhabi Media, has invested in 2 ultra slow motion camera systems from Foray. LiveHD has led the industry in delivering its ultra slow motion replay by adopting the FT1 SS 4K camera system from Foray, which gives producers the capability of shooting at up to 1000 frames per second for a 40 times slow motion replay, while still delivering live 4K pictures which can be intercut with other cameras.
Caton Technology has joined the GV Media Universe Alliance, the program developed by Grass Valley, which brings industry leaders together to deliver practical, fully functional cloud solutions for media enterprises. By joining the alliance, Caton ensures that end users can use the fastest and most secure connectivity for their cloud workflows.
Mo-Sys Engineering has announced a strategic partnership with MR Factory. The move brings together an unrivaled passion for virtual production, innovation and manufacturing with the craft and technical ability to achieve the world's best results. The exclusive collaboration will see MR Factory contributing directly to Mo-Sys' production development and innovation programs, providing valuable insight to further advance VP technologies. In addition, MR Factory will assist in further developing Mo-Sys Academy's industry-recognised virtual production training curriculum.
Of course, you can see Mo-Sys Academy at the KitPlus show coming up later in the year. Keep an eye out for those dates. Close collaboration between Austrian solutions provider Native Waves and DeckTech, a supplier of PC add-on cards, has resulted in product improvements that are benefiting both companies. Native Waves spent more than a year searching for a replacement SDI capture card when the cards it was using failed to meet its high standards for audio quality. The search eventually led to Netherlands-based DeckTech, who were able to adapt their line of existing SDI cards to suit Native Waves' requirements.
Verbit, a leading provider of voice AI transcription and captioning solutions, has acquired Take One, a leader in transcription, access and localization services for the media and entertainment sector, with their HQ in the UK. The deal bolsters Verbit's growing presence in Europe following its acquisition of UK market research specialist Take Note back in March this year.
And that's it for this week's news. If you're looking for more, then do check out the second in our series of IBC News preview shows. And of course, make a date in your diary for our 12-hour live stream on the 1st of September, where we'll be speaking live with over 100 exhibitors during the day about their IBC plans. If you're exhibiting at the show and have not yet secured your free 5-minute slot, then check out the link on screen now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.